This is the story of an Urdu writer, educationist, and journalist who, through her stories, paved the way for the future of female writers in South Asia. Today, we talk about the legendary writer Kuratulain Haider. Popularly known by her nickname Aini Appa, Kuratulain Haider was born on the 20th of January 1927 in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. Kuratulain Haider received her education from Indraprasth College in Delhi and Lucknow University. She started writing when she was just 11 years old. After completing her education, Kuratulain shifted to Pakistan in 1947. However, soon afterwards, she went to live in England and work for the BBC before returning to India in 1961, where she lived until her death. She was regarded as the grand dame of Urdu literature because she influenced major transformation in the literature of this language by introducing a new genre and thought to it. Through her writings, she aimed to change perceptions about women and the stereotypes attached with them. She made her mark in the world of Urdu literature and happens to be one of the first female Urdu novelists.
उर्दू में औरतों का अपना अलग से भी बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग उनका प्रेस था, फेमिनिस्ट प्रेस। मेरी वालदा खुद एक बड़ी अपने ज़माने की अर्लीस्ट हिंदुस्तान की feminists में थी।
Apart from being a novelist and a short story writer, she worked as a journalist on radio and magazines to earn a living. She worked with reputed publications like Imprinted and Illustrated Weekly of India and worked as a professor emeritus at Jamia Millia Islamia. Kuratulain Haider has 12 novels and 4 collections of short stories to her credit. She was often compared to the likes of Milan Kundera, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, and most famously, her contemporary at the time, Ismat Chughtai. One of Haider's best works to date is her novel Aag Ka Darya, in which she wrote about the circumstances surrounding the partition of the subcontinent into Pakistan and India. The novel revolves around the struggles and agony of the people who believed in Pakistan. It tells the tale of the hardships faced by these people and the disappointments that they came across. She faced a lot of backlash for her novel Aag Ka Darya, and the uproar caused by it was the reason Haider left Pakistan.
दुनिया में जो कुछ हो रहा है उससे मुझे बहुत फिक्र होती है। मैं बहुत जो तशद्दुद है इस वक्त, मैंने उसके बारे में इसमें लिखने की कोशिश की है। वायलेंस जो हमारी साइकी में आ गया है।
Apart from Aag Ka Darya, some of Kuratulain Haider's best works include Safina-e-Gham-e-Dil, Patthar Ki Awaaz, Roshni Ki Raftar, and many more. Kuratulain Haider passed away in a hospital in Noida on 21st August 2007 after a prolonged lung illness and old age. She won various awards and accolades throughout her life, including the Gyanpith Award, Sahitya Academy Award, Ghalib Award, and many others. In recognition of her outstanding contribution to Urdu literature, Kuratulain Haider received the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan by the Government of India. The legacy of Kuratulain Haider lives on through the excellent pieces of literature that she has blessed the world with.